Hey there, language learners. Have you ever wondered when to use in, on, or at correctly? Well, today, we're going to break it down in the easiest way possible, with real examples. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using these 3 common prepositions. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about in. We use in for enclosed spaces, large areas, time periods, and abstract concepts. I live in New York. Large area. The keys are in my pocket. Enclosed space. She was born in June. Time period. He is in trouble. Abstract concept. Next up, we have on. We use on for surfaces, specific days, transport, and technology. Examples. The book is on the table. Surface. I was born on Monday. Specific day. She is on a bus. Transport. The show is on TV. Technology. Now, let's talk about at. We use it for exact times, small locations, and specific points. Examples. The train arrives at 5 p.m. Exact time. We met at the mall. Small location. She is at the bus stop. Specific point. She is in the kitchen.
She is in the kitchen.
He lives in Canada.
He lives in Canada.
The pen is on the table.
The pen is on the table.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
She is at the bus stop.
She is at the bus stop.
We met at the park.
We met at the park.
The keys are in my pocket.
The keys are in my pocket.
I was born in June.
I was born in June.
The painting is on display.
The painting is on display.
He sat on the bench.
He sat on the bench.
He is at work.
He is at work.
They are waiting at the door.
They are waiting at the door.
They are in love.
They are in love.
We are in trouble.
We are in trouble.
The book is on the shelf.
The book is on the shelf.
They are on the balcony.
They are on the balcony.
The car is at the traffic light.
The car is at the traffic light.
He was at the party last night.
He was at the party last night.
The water is in the bottle.
The water is in the bottle.
She is in bed.
She is in bed.
He placed the cup on the desk.
He placed the cup on the desk.
The dog is sleeping on the floor.
The dog is sleeping on the floor.
She will be at the library.
She will be at the library.
The plane landed at the airport.
The plane landed at the airport.